Imagine clearing a foot of snow from your deck or walkway without gas, cords, or heavy shoveling. Today, we're looking at a tool that promises exactly that: lightweight, efficient, and surprisingly quiet. Welcome back to Buy with Confidence, where we explore products you can trust, tested thoroughly, and reviewed with a real-world perspective. Today, we're examining the Snow Joe Cordless Snow Shovel Kit. This compact yet powerful tool is designed for homeowners who want a hassle-free winter solution for decks, steps, and narrow walkways. If you live in a region that sees regular snowfall and value convenience without compromising performance, this review is highly relevant to you. You'll find the purchase link conveniently in the description. The Snow Joe X20-SNOW-5A is a cordless snow shovel equipped with a high-speed brushless motor and a 10-inch wide, 5-inch deep cutting path. It's designed for homeowners who want a lighter, easier alternative to traditional snow shovels or cumbersome gas-powered machines. Its purpose is straightforward: to make snow clearing faster, safer, and less physically taxing while maintaining a professional level of efficiency. Now, let's break down why this product is gaining attention among users. Reason number 1. Cordless convenience. The first and most immediately noticeable benefit is freedom from cords and gas. The 20V Max lithium-ion battery paired with a high-efficiency brushless motor delivers a clean, gas-free operation that runs cooler and quieter than traditional machines. You don't have to worry about extension cords, fuel refills, or messy maintenance. For anyone who values simplicity and low upkeep, this alone elevates the everyday snow removal experience. Trusted by many of 5-star reviewers, it transforms what is often a chore into a more manageable task. Reason number 2. Efficient snow clearing. The high-speed auger spins at 21,200 revolutions per minute, cutting a 10-inch wide by 5-inch deep path, and can throw snow up to 18 feet with 45-degree directional control. This means less repeated passes and more precise snow placement, which is ideal for decks, narrow steps, or walkways. In practical terms, this tool is fast without being overly powerful, striking a balance that prevents damage to surfaces while maintaining strong snow-moving capacity. Reason number 3. Lightweight, comfortable design. Weighing just 8.4 pounds and featuring an adjustable telescoping handle that extends from 47 to 52 inches, the Snow Joe shovel prioritizes ergonomics. It is easy to maneuver, reduces strain on the back and shoulders, and allows for comfortable operation over multiple passes. Unlike traditional snow shovels or heavy machines, this design encourages consistent use without fatigue, making it suitable for homeowners of varying strength levels. Reason number 4. Ready-to-go kit. The kit comes with a 5.0Ah battery and charger, ready for immediate use. Its compact design makes storage simple, especially in tight garage or shed spaces. The included components are thoughtfully chosen, allowing you to click, charge, and clear snow quickly. The convenience of having everything in a single, cohesive package adds tangible value for anyone who wants a no-nonsense, ready-to-go solution for seasonal snow. Reason number 5. Trusted brand support. Snow Joe is part of the Joe Brands family, known for producing innovative, affordable, and high-quality tools for home, yard, garden, and garage applications. They are people-focused, offering purpose-driven solutions backed by a full 1-year warranty. Owning a Snow Joe product comes with the confidence of brand reliability and access to support if needed. For those who value post-purchase reassurance, this is a key factor. Final verdict. Overall, the Snow Joe Cordless Snow Shovel Kit is a thoughtfully engineered tool that blends portability, efficiency, and ease of use. Its limitations are minor. It is best suited for light to moderate snow and narrower paths rather than large driveways or heavy, wet snow. However, for homeowners, apartment dwellers, or anyone needing a reliable deck, step, or walkway solution, it stands out in its category. The combination of brushless motor efficiency, lightweight handling, and battery-powered convenience makes it a tool that can save time, energy, and frustration throughout the winter season. In conclusion, if you are looking for a premium, user-friendly solution for winter snow clearing, the Snow Joe X20-SNOW-5A delivers. For those who value performance, comfort, and long-term reliability, This tool earns its place in your seasonal toolkit. Consider this review, weigh your personal needs, and when ready, the link to purchase is in the description. Make your snow clearing a little simpler this year.